In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML tags in Elementor. If you're looking to customize your web pages or enhance the interactivity of your design, adding HTML tags can be a great way to do so. We're going to go through each step smoothly, ensuring you can follow along easily and confidently implement these changes on your own site. First, let's get started by opening up Elementor. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page you want to edit with Elementor. Once there, click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the visual editor. This tool is immensely beneficial for web designers both seasoned and new, thanks to its user-friendly and intuitive interface. With Elementor opened, you'll notice all your page sections are neatly laid out, making it easier for you to decide where to add your HTML tags. Now, what you need to do is find the spot where you want to insert your custom HTML. This could be within a particular element on your page or inside a new section altogether, depending on the effect you're going for. Once you've identified where you'd like to add HTML, look over to the left-hand side of the Elementor panel. You will see a variety of elements and widgets that you can use to enhance your page. In the search bar above these elements, type in HTML to quickly find the HTML widget. Once you spot it, click and drag this HTML widget over to the desired area on your page layout. This widget creates a space where you can directly input HTML code. That's what makes the HTML widget so powerful. It gives you the freedom to integrate custom functionalities or stylize components beyond the usual options. A text area will appear where you can start typing your HTML code. If you know the specific code you want to add, this is where you'll enter it. Remember, you can include a variety of tags, such as H1 for headings or P for paragraphs, as well as embed other styles or scripts if necessary. See it as a blank canvas for your creative web development touches. If you're trying to add styling, remember to add the style tags appropriately or ID and class identifiers as needed, which you will eventually style in your CSS. Once you're happy with the HTML code you've added, it's important to test how it looks and functions on your site. Thankfully, Elementor's real-time preview makes this process seamless. Check how the HTML elements display and ensure everything aligns with your intended design and functionality. It's always a good idea to make sure your code is error-free, as simple typos can lead to unexpected results. So take a moment to review and polish your code. After verifying, apply these changes by clicking the green Update button at the bottom of the panel. This will save and publish the changes you made using the HTML widget. That's how you add HTML tags in Elementor. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, allows you to enhance your website's appearance and functionality immeasurably. Feel free to experiment with different HTML tags to see how they can contribute to building a more engaging and personalized web presence. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!